I'm Yvonne de Bruin. I live in France and I use my voice as a healing instrument. 15 years ago I developed Pansori Living Sound, which is a kind of singing that helps people to overcome problems and helps the physical body to heal. The Pansori way of singing develops the high frequencies in the voice, which demands a special kind of singing, and it has an effect on both the physical, the emotional, the mental level, and finally also on the spiritual level. This way of singing can be used in many situations. It can be applied to people who have physical problems like neurological problems. It can also be used by people who have depression, by people who have an addiction. So it can be applied in many situations. The only condition is that people learn how to resonate with the field of resonance that develops between you and the person you are working with. This field of resonance that the voice can then enter is guided by what I call vocal presence, and it is a kind of being in touch with the field of resonance and to resonate with that field in order to bring changes into the field and to help the cells of the body or the patterns in the brain of the person to change and to become more balanced, more regular, more integrated also when we are speaking about the brain. It is a new way of singing, a special kind of sound that develops, and I would like to end with a few sounds so you can hear a bit of these sounds.